Meaning of dumpy.
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 Dumpy. Dumpy is an adjective used to describe something or someone that is short and stout in appearance. It can also refer to a place that is unattractive or shabby looking. The word dumpy can be used to describe buildings, furniture, or people who have a stocky and ungraceful appearance. When applied to buildings, it typically implies a lack of maintenance or outdated design. Overall, dumpy has a negative connotation and is often used to denote something that is unappealing or unsightly.